Okay, so in this video I want to clear up a little bit of confusion I've been seeing out there regarding AKK video transmitters and also ones from race day quads. I think it's the Mach 1 video transmitter. Those that feature the smart audio that were manufactured, I think, earlier this year, I think from between January and either March or early April of 2018, had this so-called smart audio bug, and it was actually a bug in beta flight, and they've actually now fixed it. But I guess a lot of people don't know that that fix is available or how to get that fix. So basically, you have to flash your flight controller with firmware that is going to be compatible with those particular video transmitters that happen to have this bug. And so basically, you're going to have to go and download the latest Betaflight configurator, and I think the latest version as of today is 10.3.1. And then you want to go to the firmware flash section. And normally here you would choose your flight controller and the version that you're going to be wanting to flash on here. But if you happen to have one of these video transmitters with that bug, you're going to need to get the version of the firmware that's been compiled to deal with that bug. So you're going to click on Show Unstable Releases here. And then this drop-down menu will show up, says Release. You're going to click on that. And then here you're going to click on either 3.3 AKK or 3.4 AKK, depending upon which firmware you want to go to, if you want the 3.3 versions or the newest 3.4 versions. I believe as future versions come out, this list will increase to 3.5, etc. down the road. But for example, if you want to go to a 3.3 version, you select here and then select your boards. They will select the Omnibus F3 board, and then here you can then select the version that you want. They have all the versions that have been compiled with the correct code for to deal with the smart audio bug in those video transmitters. So you can go 3.30 up to 3.33 on all those. And at that point, you would load the firmware and then flash it, and then this would work exactly the same way as you would flash any other firmware, but now your video transmitter should work properly with that firmware on this particular, if you want to go to 3.3 or 3.4. So for those of you guys that have been confused about the smart audio bug and how to get around it, this is now built into the Betaflight configurator, and you can flash the firmware that you need for your flight controller so that you can fix your smart audio bug and get your smart audio working again on your video transmitter. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.